stop posting like this. Instead, choose your space as your background or import a picture. When you're happy with your background, go ahead and export multiple videos. And I mean multiple, have different angles, zoom in, zoom out. Once you have multiple videos saved, go to CapCut and make sure you extract your audio. Stack all of your videos together as overlays and start chopping. Now that you created a mess, go ahead and add some keyframes for motion. If you want an in-depth tutorial on how to edit your videos on CapCut, please comment down below. I can deliver a tutorial. Right now my video looks like this, and actually it's nice, it's clean, and it's not too boring. But we could add some animations, we could add effects and transitions to make the video look more interesting. And with these simple steps, you could have your video go from this to this. It's simple, it's easy, it works, and you're gonna get more attention. Make sure you subscribe for future ZEPETO tutorials and CapCut tutorials to help you grow on ZEPETO.